Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. So this is a transformation video. I am so excited to be doing this. This is long overdue. My aunt gave me this gown, this oversized gown, and I want to transform it into a two-piece that is going to be fitted on my body. So first of all, I'll be calculating where I want my top to stop, and the rest is just going to be for my skirt. The top is going to be 16 inches long, and the rest fabric is just going to be for my skirt. So if you're new here and you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You guys, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so the first thing I'll be doing is I'll be flipping this fabric to the wrong side. You know, I already have the demarcation line already, the 16 inches line where the top is going to stop. So I'll flip this to the wrong side, and then I'll fold it into two. Then from that line I have, that's the 16 inches, I'll be cutting this off, like demarcating the skirt and the top. I'll be demarcating then, and then keeping the top aside. I'll be working on the skirt part first. So placing my tape now and calculating this fabric, I want to be able to get 4 inches out for the band that I will use for my skirt. So I'll go ahead and calculate first and know how many I have, and then I will take out 4 inches for the band part of the skirt. Yeah, I forgot to mention that this fabric I'm using right now is a stretchy fabric. So I'll be talking down my actual measurements on this. I don't need the zip allowance. I don't need I don't need to add excess sewing allowance. I just need to add ½ inch for sewing allowance because it stretches. And right now I am working on both the front and the back piece together. So the measurement I'll be using right now is displayed on the screen. I'll be using my round measurement, and then my round waist is 30 divided by 4, you get 7.5, and then I'll be adding ½ inches for the sewing allowance, that's 8 inches. So I'll chalk that down on the waist point, and then moving down to my hip point, which is 9 inches, I'll be chalking my round measurement, my round hip, which is 40 divided by 4 will give you 10, and then I'll be adding 1 to that, and that's 11 inches. Chalking down round measurements, I'll go ahead now and connect all points together. That's from the waist point to the hip, and then straight to the base. I am not doing anything on the base of the skirt. I'll just connect it from the hip point straight down to the base, and that is it. Once all that is done, before I take this to the machine to sew, I'll be taking the dart for the front part of the skirt. I need the dart for the front part. So the dart is me going in by 3 inches from the close edge. I'll be going in by 3 inches, and then I'll be going down by 1.5 inch. I'll connect these points together just as seen, and then cut it out. That is for the dart on my front piece of the skirt. Oh, I am done with checking the round measurement. I am done with taking the dart. So I'll go ahead and pin this together and take it to my machine to join. So yeah, when joining, I'll make sure I leave one side open. I won't totally join that part because that is where I'll be joining my band from. Now I'll go ahead now and attach my band to the skirt. So you guys, please watch carefully. After I am done attaching the band to the skirt, I want to pass through an elastic that is 18 inches long. So I'll go ahead now and use my safety pin and then pass the elastic through this band. And once I am doing both the elastic and the skirt and the band, I'll be closing this up by half an inch, and that is it for the skirt part. If you're watching me for the first time and you're not subscribed to this channel, why not go ahead and do that right now and click on the subscribe button, and while doing that, click on the notification bell too, so you can get notification whenever a new video is being uploaded. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Please go ahead and like this video, and if you want to comment, go ahead, feel free, comment on the comment section. So guys, for the last part of this video, I will be working on the top, which is going to be quick and brief. So first of all, I'll go ahead and take off the sleeves of the top, and then I will rip the size out, the size of the top, because I want to resize this to my own measurement. So I'll go ahead and strip this of all it has, and then I'll trim out the excess parts and take this to my machine to join back the size, and I'll calculate what I have on the armhole and make sure is what I have on the sleeves, and then I'll join the sleeves back to the top, and that is it. Said before, you guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I really want to see your like, guys, and please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that also. So I'll be seeing you in my next video. Please stay safe and please isolate yourself to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Bye.